how to add comment on Visual Studio Code. If you want to add comment on your code, then follow this instruction in this video. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. Now simply open any folder and the file on it. After that, type in the code here as you prefer, and to make a comment on that, if you are using HTML or CSS code, you can write a comment using 2 backslash, which is this one. Here, the font color will also change to green if you write anything under this comment. And for Python, you can use hash for comment. So this is how you can add comment on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.